Amega Cleaning Service. Your one-stop shop for all your office carpet cleaning requirements. A clean office is a healthier business. Clean carpets do more than just look good. They create a healthier, more productive, and more professional environment for your team and clients. But why is office carpet cleaning important? Number 1. A healthier workplace. Removes dust, allergens, bacteria, and pollutants that can affect indoor air quality and employee health. Number 2. Increased productivity. A clean, fresh environment boosts employee morale, focus, and overall productivity. Number 3. Professional image. Clean carpets creates a positive first impression for clients, visitors, and business partners. Number 4. Extended carpet life. Regular deep cleaning removes dirt and grit that cause wear and tear, helping your carpets last longer. Number 5. Eliminates odors. Professional cleaning removes trapped odors, leaving your office smelling clean and fresh. Number 4. Extended carpet life. Regular deep cleaning removes dirt and grit that cause wear and tear, helping your carpets last longer. Thank you for watching. Call us today for a quotation. Our numbers are on the screen.